Birmingham has more canals than Venice, and on a Friday night, more life than either. Every corner has its own rhythm, and the night is just getting started. Welcome to Birmingham After Dark. Every city has its own rhythm, and Birmingham has one that's impossible to ignore. Around every corner, you'll find a mix of history, modern energy, and streets full of life. Tonight, we're walking through its streets, canals, hidden corners, and brightest nightlife districts to discover why this city quietly surprises almost everyone who visits. If you enjoy exploring cities after dark, subscribe to Tripinn and join us on more cinematic walks around the world. Tonight, there's no destination, only curiosity. We'll wander through lively streets, quiet canals, glowing skylines, and places that most visitors never notice. Every few steps, Birmingham reveals another side of itself, from modern city lights to historic brick buildings that have watched generations pass by. The best stories aren't always found on a map. Sometimes you discover them simply by taking the next turn. This isn't just another street, it's where Birmingham comes out to celebrate the night. Welcome to Broad Street. At night, this avenue transforms into one of the busiest destinations in the country. Neon signs glow above packed bars, friends gather outside pubs, cocktails are raised, and queues begin to form outside clubs long before midnight. Every few steps, the atmosphere changes. It's loud, it's energetic, and it's where Birmingham proudly shows its vibrant side. Just a short walk away, Birmingham changes its rhythm. This is Digbeth, a neighborhood where industrial history meets modern creativity. Old factories and warehouses have been transformed into independent bars, music venues, cafes, and creative studios. Every street feels like an outdoor gallery. Every corner has its own personality. Canals quietly weave through the neighborhood, while colorful reflections shimmer beneath old bridges. There's something effortlessly authentic about Digbeth. It doesn't try to impress you, it simply invites you to slow down, explore, and discover it for yourself. This is the side of Birmingham that people keep coming back to. If Birmingham is surprising you so far, let us know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like the video. It helps more people discover these hidden sides of famous cities. There's something exciting about walking through a city with no destination, no plans, no timetable, just following the lights, the music, and whatever catches your attention next. One street is buzzing with people enjoying the night. The next feels quieter, where every cafe, bar, and corner has its own story. Here, conversations spill out onto the streets long after the sun has gone down. Every turn feels different. Every neighborhood has its own personality. And that's what makes Birmingham at night so enjoyable. This isn't about reaching a destination. It's about experiencing Birmingham exactly as it comes to life after dark. As the evening settles in, the city finds its own rhythm. The pace feels different after dark. There's no rush. People take their time, enjoying the atmosphere instead of hurrying to the next destination. Every step feels effortless. The cool evening air, the glow of the city lights, and the constant buzz in the background make the walk surprisingly relaxing. It's the kind of city where you can spend hours wandering without ever feeling like you're running out of places to explore. Some nights are full of excitement. Others are simply about enjoying the journey. And somehow Birmingham manages to offer both at the very same time. That's what makes walking here after dark such a memorable experience. Birmingham doesn't shout at you. That's why the people who know keep coming back. It's a city of contrasts. Industrial history beside colorful street art. Warehouse venues beside peaceful canals. Every neighborhood tells a different story, and together they create one of Britain's most underrated nights out. Birmingham is the UK city everyone forgets, and no one who visits does. If you enjoyed walking through Birmingham with us, subscribe to our channel for more cinematic 4K city walks from around the world. Where should we explore next? Tell us in the comments, and we'll see you in the next journey.